I'm going to jump right into making these blinking eyes. I'll have my desired colour on the outside, face down on the table. I'll begin by folding my paper in half lengthways. Rotate the paper and repeat this step. Then I'll use the outside edge to fold towards the centre. With the other edge, I'll do the same, but I'll allow this one to overlap very slightly. Now I'll flip the paper over and I'll fold very thin strips at the ends like so. I'll double over these strips just to neaten them up. Then when I've done that, I'll flip over and fold these edges towards the centre. At this point, there's a natural vertical crease, so I'll mount and fold that. For the next step, make sure you've got the overlapped edge at the top. So I'll have half of this open. I'll grab the raw edge and pull it out as far as it can comfortably go. And the idea here is to make inside reverse folds so that the eye is poking outwards. Then you'll need to refold the paper flat. So I did a cheat way of doing this by mount and folding this together at the end, which helps to define those creases on the inside. Phew, got there in the end. Then I'll repeat these steps on the other sections. So that was the top half, now I'll do the bottom. I wasn't expecting that eye to be so big. Anyway, onto the other one. So that's the last little part. I'll fold this together once more, and here's the reveal. Check out all these blinking eyes. Happy folding and thanks for watching. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.